You wouldn't go out with your phone on 10% battery and expect it to last all day, so don't go into your training session underfueled and expect to perform at your best. Peak performance doesn't happen by accident. You have to set yourself up for it with proper nutrition and recovery. Here's a daily checklist for peak sports performance. 1. Eat enough total calories. A rough starting point, about 40 to 45 calories per kilogram you weigh, is a good starting point for optimal performance and weight maintenance for most people if you're training at a moderate high intensity on most days. So if you're 60 kilograms, somewhere between 2,400 and 2,700 calories per day. And if you're 80 kilograms, somewhere between 3,200 and 3,600 calories per day is a good starting point for peak sports performance and maintaining your weight. Number 2, have a pre-training meal 1 to 4 hours before training with 1 to 4 grams per kilogram of your body weight of carbohydrates. That could be porridge or oatmeal, chicken and rice, could be a bowl of cereal, could be a tuna sandwich. There's no magic. You could literally pair any carbohydrate with any lean protein that you like. You could have chicken breast with cereal if that's your thing. And you don't need protein, but it's a good opportunity to fulfill some of your daily target. So why not? Number 3, caffeine. It's quite trendy to shit on caffeine at the moment, but I think it's great. It's one of the most effective legal performance enhancers. 3 milligrams per kilogram you weigh, or about 200 milligrams, is going to be best for most people. And you can use caffeine pills to get a more reliable dose, as it varies quite a lot with coffee. Importantly, you can still get benefits from a smaller dose of caffeine, say 100 milligrams that you get in a regular coffee, and take it about 60 minutes before training. Number 4, recovery. This almost certainly means doing less stuff, less scrolling through TikTok, less working late, for example, rather than adding saunas, ice baths, or foam rolling into your routine. Sleep is the king of recovery, and it's probably the only addition to your routine that I'd recommend to improve your recovery. Also, psychological recovery is just as important as physical, so make sure you're incorporating plenty of time to relax and unwind. 5th and finally, intra-training fueling. Drink a sports drink providing 30 to 60 grams per hour for any sessions that are moderate to high intensity and over about 90 minutes. This will mostly be your combat sports training sessions, for example. It probably won't be needed for strength or conditioning workouts unless they're really long and intense. That could be a branded sports drink or a 50-50 mix of orange juice and water with a little pinch of salt for some electrolytes. If you found this helpful, I've got a free personalized diet report for you, breaking down your diet strengths, weaknesses, and areas to improve to get better results regarding your physique and performance. Just click the link in the description box below, answer 12 quick questions, and I'll send you a free report.